Instagram marketing success stories. Adidas. Adidas is a worldwide famous shoe and clothing company. Objective. The brand's objective was to promote and create awareness about a new product line brand. Strategy. Adidas encouraged its followers to create user-generated posts inspired by products made by the company using a branded hashtag. Results? The company was able to generate over 71,000 mentions of its branded hashtag and made over 41,000 new followers. Bloom and Wild. Bloom and Wild is a flower delivery company from the United Kingdom. Objective. The company wanted to attract a wider audience and potential customers for their business. Strategy. The company started running Facebook ads to target an audience based off their existing email list. Results? The ads helped the company increase bouquet orders by 62% and generated a huge spike of comments on their Instagram profile. Bejeweled. Bejeweled is a popular mobile puzzle game created by PopCap Games. Objective. PopCap Games wanted to encourage more people to download the app and play the game. Strategy. The company partnered with top Instagram influencers who shared pictures of themselves playing the game and having fun. These influencers included branded hashtags in their posts too. Results? The influencer campaign helped the game climb up App Store charts in one single month from 702 to 182nd. Old Spice. Old Spice is a brand of male grooming products from the United States. Objective. The brand wanted to enhance their brand identity by running an innovative social media campaign. Strategy. The brand partnered with influential Instagrammers that were popular among its target demographic to run a giveaway campaign. Results? The campaign helped the brand lift brand awareness and generated over 2 million unique views across all channels. Chanel. Chanel is a luxury apparel and high-fashion accessories company from France. Objective. The company wanted to promote a new line of perfume. Strategy? The company partnered with fashion and beauty bloggers and encouraged them to share content about the company using a couple of branded hashtags. Results? This influencer campaign generated over 1,600 pieces of user-generated content, as well as 900,000 likes during the first month of the campaign. Sonic Drive-In. Sonic Drive-In is an American drive-in restaurant chain. Objective. The restaurant chain wanted to create awareness about a new type of milkshake that they had only sold at events. Strategy. The company ran geo-targeted Instagram ads that encouraged users to customize a milkshake and have their milkshake delivered simply by using a branded hashtag. Results? The campaign raised the company's Instagram following from 118,000 to 129,000 followers. It also generated over 26,000 likes and more than 1,000 comments. Hartley's. Hartley's is a brand of jams, marmalades, and jellies from the United Kingdom. Objective. The brand needed to raise awareness about a new low-calorie jelly. Strategy. The brand partnered with diet influencers to promote the low-calorie jelly to females aged 25 to 34 in the UK. Results? The campaign helped the brand generate a 146% engagement rate, doubled the brand's follower count on Instagram, and increased sales. Airbnb. Airbnb is a global online marketplace where people can search and rent tourism experiences and homestays. Objective. The company wanted to raise awareness about offerings available in their online marketplace. Strategy. The company created a series of posts showcasing user-generated photos of locations in their marketplace. For this, they used photos taken by hosts and guests. Results? The campaign helped potential customers understand what Airbnb was all about, generated thousands of likes per post, and increased business through their marketplace. Nutella. Nutella is a popular brand of hazelnut and chocolate spread from Italy. Objective. The brand's objective is to stay on top of the consumer's mind as a top chocolate spread brand. Strategy. The company continually encourages users to share content where they use Nutella spread in novel ways. Results? Using user-generated content helped Nutella to save on advertising and increase the brand's visibility dramatically. Dove. Dove is a brand of personal care products from the United States. Objective. The brand's objective was to lift brand awareness among the female Instagram demographic. Strategy. Dove created an emotionally charged series of Instagram posts targeted at women. They used a branded hashtag to raise visibility. Results? The campaign helped Dove to boost reach, brand awareness, and social engagement.